Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video we're going to Miramar Beach.
Miramar Beach.
Yeah.
Right, so I will be showing you around as to what is the beach like, because as of now the park is open for the kids to play, and there's some eateries as well, so I'll be showing you all of that in today's video, so stay tuned and watch this till the end. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also click on that notification bell icon to get notified every single time I make new videos from Goa, because we currently stay here. So let's get started.
Let's get started. Come on.
So we're right opposite to the Taj property, and if we head this way straight, it heads to the Miramar Beach. And this is a lovely jogging track that you have here, where all locals come here in the evening for a quick walk. So this entire side that you see on my left is a lovely walkway. You know, it's a nice jogging track. You find a lot of locals that come here every single day in the mornings and evenings for their walks. You also have a lot of these benches that are kept here. So this is the other entrance that you can actually come to, and since we're on a two-wheeler, we'll be parking ahead. So this road that heads from this side comes from Panjim, and the Miramar main beach circle is right there. So we've just stopped before that. I stopped here just to give you a glimpse. There is another entrance to the beach from here, which is a lot more peaceful, and you wouldn't find much crowd. And this side of the road, if you head further, is Donapala, and right opposite to me is complete residential area. So if you are someone who doesn't like to be amongst crowd, and then you should be heading this side. Take this entrance to the beach because it's a lot more quieter and you wouldn't find much crowd here. I will also be taking you to the main beach entrance just to give you a glimpse of what's happening there. This looks so beautiful, so lush green, and then you have the beach, which is right there. This is the closest beach if you are staying in Panjim that you can come to, and this is the entrance that a lot of locals actually take. Wow, the sun looks so beautiful. Okay, so let's head back and I'll show you what does the main Miramar Beach look like. Is there any parking here? Yeah, let's park here. So this is the garden area where you find a lot of kids and families coming. This was actually under construction and they've made it really nice. And you have a nice cafe here which serves local, authentic Goan snacks. So that is the main entrance to the beach. And as you can see, there's a lot of crowd in the distance by the beach. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and Lenny just can't wait to go play in the park. And also we're gonna have some ice cream. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and also do leave a comment below and let us know what you felt, and we'd love to hear from you. So until we meet again in our next, bye for now.